Hey guys, I'm back finally. I know I haven't uploaded in probably like a year and a half on this channel, but can't promise it's going to be consistent. But me and my grandma want to start this kind of series where we just cook some of the things that she's cooked for me when I was a child. So we're going to start doing that. Hopefully it's a little bit more consistent uploads. We're going to try to make this fun. So today we're going to be cooking hummus. I guess not really cooking.
It's making.
Yeah, we're going to be making hummus.
It's okay.
So what are some of the things that we're going to need?
Yeah, important thing to have ingredients like garbanzo and tahini. And other important part is garlic, because it gives the flavor, and another flavor is giving lemon. It should be in the ingredients, and blender.
Okay.
And oil and spices, that's all. It is very easy. Just you have to bring all together, combine, and it become a delicious snack you want, or call, or whatever.
Yeah. And for people that don't know, what's tahini?
Tahini, it is grounded sesame seed.
Mm-hmm.
And then the other, when he grounded, it's changed his look and taste. And then it called sesame tahini. It doesn't matter which brand. And let's start, and you have to use this blender to put this garbanzo in with the garlic.
First step?
Yeah, first step. You have to do that with the garlic.
So we'll just throw all these in here.
Yes.
And then we're gonna need water too, right?
Little bit, half a glass of water.
Okay, and the water is just gonna help it emulsify a little bit. That way it blends better. Because you can't blend dry stuff,
Yes.
obviously.
Okay, let to blend little bit. If it is necessary, we will add
Okay.
more.
So yeah, it doesn't really matter what blender you use as long as it can blend stuff finely. So. If your blender stops, it just means you need to add a little bit of water. It's a lot of water, but okay. Okay.
More maybe.
For those of you that don't know, I used to work at Jamba Juice. So I'm kind of a pro.
Yeah, okay. Or you want more water? Let's open. Let's see.
I'm curious what this looks like, guys. I have a light, but it's dead. So that's kind of the situation right now. But what she's saying is, as long as there's no big chunks in there, you're fine.
I think it's needed little more water,
Yeah, maybe a little bit.
because when tahini comes,
It's gonna be really thick.
yeah, it will be really thick. Pour here. And tahini, when it stays, it gets thicker in the bottom part, and top part is little liquidy.
So it's kind of like natural peanut butter, how the oil's
Yes.
at the top and you gotta
Yes.
mix it. What this looks like, you just want it, it's like cake batter. You don't want big clumps. And how much are you putting, Grandma?
Maybe half of this.
Half of the container?
Yes.
Okay.
And then see it become a little more thicker. More tahini you put, more thicker it will be.
And Grandma, while you're doing that, I'm gonna cut a lemon.
Yes. And then first we have to put salt. We have to grind it.
Just grind it. I also have kosher salt and pepper.
This way we don't know how much we have to put.
Yeah.
Yeah. We cannot measure this way. We are putting. Oh, you don't have another kind?
Hmm?
Another kind of.
Sea salt. I have kosher salt.
Yeah.
I have kosher.
Yeah. Yeah, this is better to use, let's see what brand it is.
It's
Or to use hand, then you will see how much you are putting. This way you can see, but the other way you cannot measure.
yeah, you can't look at it. Yeah.
Yes, and then you know how much you are putting. It depends how strong it is, the salt. And then we have to put.
Cayenne.
This is also. I'm afraid I don't know.
I have another spoon.
I use how much it is strong. Then again, measure like this, like half a teaspoon. And we have to try. And then the cumin is also important spice. First, it is healthy and it gives flavor. A little bit more, doesn't bother, it's good. Good for you. And then this is also okay. This is without measure. It's okay if you do that.
Yeah, do that. Done very well.
Okay, next time another one we will batch. Okay, and then we have to use little paprika.
Yeah. How much? Like a little dash?
Again, half a spoon.
Paprika is kind of just for color mainly. It doesn't really do a whole lot as far as flavor, unless you have a lot of it.
And the lemon, if you have to save them here, squeeze, and with the spoon also. Yes, we have to try. I think this, if not, we will use other half.
Okay.
So the mouth-watering feeling we are having.
Now guys, if this is a video you guys like and you want to see more of them, make sure you guys like and comment, let us know. And if you don't mind, dropping a sub as well. That way you're notified. But we want to make a lot more of these because she used to cook a lot for me when I was a kid and her cooking's awesome. So kind of the point of this is just to share some of the recipes. That way if you guys are curious on what I ate or you want to try it yourself, you guys are more than welcome to. So just want to make some videos, and it's mainly for me because I like cooking too. So if I ever decide to cook something, I want to be able to see how she does it, and the best way to learn is to have her do it right. So got some bread so we can try it.
Okay, now you taste it to see everything is okay. The salt or lemon flavor is
Let's try it with the spoon first.
here. Okay. What is missing? Salt. Everyone.
Salt for sure.
That's for you.
Definitely
Salt, yeah, because the salt, I think it's enough, not too much.
Really?
Not too much.
Okay.
Not too much. Lemon na bagas.
Yeah. So this is one thing about cooking that's good to learn, is it's better to add not enough than too much. Because if you add not enough, you can do the same thing we're doing and fixing it after, because you know how much you need. But if you add too much, there's no way to really fix it other than throwing it away.
Lemon too much, it doesn't bother. Change a little salt and a little more lemon, it changes the flavor.
Okay, so we're going to taste it with some bread.
It's nice.
Really good. It's really simple to make, really easy. It's like Mediterranean peanut butter. It's pretty good. Yeah, I mean, you can easily make this at home. I mean, typically recording takes a lot longer than just making it, but even when recording, it took us 20 minutes start to finish. So, super easy to do. So go ahead and try it yourself, guys. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, we really want to do this more. So if you guys like this, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. That way you're notified, and it shows us that you guys enjoy it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, we want to do more. So have a good rest of your night. See you.